Well, welcome back everybody. As you can see, I got the sled out and we got some snow to play with. So I think I'm going to take her down on the track and break in the trail. As you can see too, I got two cameras now, so should be able to get a few angles. Guess I should have unbuckled this first. Key in her. Oh, of course, upside down. Get my gloves on. What on earth? Oh, nice. Put them in my pocket. There, we'll start her up and then we'll take off. Now, hopefully I don't get stuck. I'll just leave that on my seat, honestly. Never mind, it's gonna fall off. I think it's gonna fall off there too, if we're being honest. Well, the good news is too, I don't hear any rattling. See, the first ride, when I went to put her away, I heard this rattling. So I had a look and I discovered my jam nut in my primary clutch backed off. So I had to put that back on. But other than that, sled still seems good shape. And hopefully it'll last with no issues. Man, this snow though, it's tough. It's heavy, so it just makes the sled want to go right in, and then it almost wants to tip. It also wants to take me out. Well, I think that's it for today. Just a nice little test run. We still have to break in them trails back there, but for now, at least the track's kind of rideable. So yeah, thanks for watching.